So it's given here that x1 times a vector added to y1 times b vector equals to x2 times a vector plus y2 times b vector. And vector a and vector b are non-collinear vector. We need to verify that x1 equals to x2 and y1 equals to y2. Okay, let us begin. Since we have x1 times a vector added to y1 times b vector, this is going to be equals to x2 times a vector plus y2 times b vector. What we'll do, we'll transpose these two terms on the right hand side to the left hand side and combine all the like terms to get x1 minus x2 whole multiplied to the vector a added to y1 minus y2 whole multiplied to the vector b equals to 0. Now what does this mean? So here we're going to take the help of a theorem which we have already discussed. The theorem states that if a vector and b vector are two non-collinear vectors, and it is given here that for some scalars x and y, x times a vector plus y times b vector equals to the null vector 0, then this simply means that x must be equals to 0 and y must be equals to 0. So if we use this theorem, then here this implies that x1 minus x2, this must be equals to 0, and y1 minus y2, that must be equals to 0 as well. Now when we solve for this, we get x1 equals to x2 and y1 equals to y2. So we have successfully proved that x1 will be equals to x2 and y1 equals to x2, provided this particular equation holds true where a and b are two non-collinear vectors.